Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this really simple hairstyle. This is one I do almost every day, honestly. It's like a half back into a bun. The bun's pretty full, almost like a top knot, and then I like using hair scarves a lot as just a great simple accessory to add a little bit of style and flair to your hair look, but you don't have to add a scarf. You can just have the bun and it looks great on its own. So take a look and try it out. Let me know if it works for your hair in the comments below, and I hope you enjoy.